how to make a project private in Asana. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a project private in Asana. Just stick with me till the end so you don't miss any steps, especially if you're dealing with sensitive info or just want a cleaner workspace. Alright, let's jump right in. So first, open up your browser and head over to asana.com. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner, you'll see the login button. Click on that, you'll be taken straight to your Asana dashboard. Now on the dashboard, you'll see all your teams and projects. Look at the sidebar on the left and find the project you want to make private. Click on that project to open it up. Once you're inside the project, look toward the top right corner. You'll see a share button. It's usually an icon of a person with a plus sign, or sometimes it just says share. Click that and a little menu will appear. Now this part's important. You're looking for where it says project permissions or maybe a drop-down with the visibility settings. Click on that and you'll see a few visibility options. To make your project private, select the one that says private to project members. That means only people you specifically invite can access or see what's inside the project. And that's it. Your project is now private. Only the people you've added will have access, which is perfect for keeping things secure or avoiding unnecessary distractions in your team. Before you go, just a couple of things to keep in mind. Double check that you're editing the correct project and maybe let your teammates know the visibility has changed just so nobody gets confused or locked out. That's all for this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.